Guys, today I just got a new alarm. It's the System Sensor SPSR speaker strobe. This is the box that I came in. Sorry I didn't get to make the unboxing video, but that's alright. And anyway, you got your fire lettering on both sides. You've got your candela setting right there. I have it on 15 right now. You see that this is a speaker and there's a strobe. If you look on the back, you can see that there's the model number, model SPSR. And this plate, I don't know how to take it off. And you notice that this is the box it came in. It looks different in a screen than it does in person. So anyways, with this alarm, you can either change your watts or your volts. And you've got some wires back here. And I don't know where the terminals are, but that's okay. I didn't even have to show you. And this is like where you store your right there you get your, I don't know what that is. Well guys, thanks for watching. Peace out.